Sophie and the AI Adventure. Sophie loved spending time in her school's computer lab. One day, she found an old, dusty computer in the corner. Curious, she turned it on and saw a program named Echo. She decided to reactivate it using her knowledge of Python. Sophie typed in some code, and the screen flickered to life. "Hello, I am Echo," the computer said. Sophie was amazed. She had brought the AI back to life. Echo could talk, think, and learn. Sophie and Echo decided to help their community. They planned a neighborhood cleanup event. Echo used its data to find the best date and time. The event was a huge success, and everyone thanked Sophie and Echo. Next, Sophie wanted to predict the weather. Echo analyzed weather patterns and data. Together they created a weather forecast for their town. Sophie's classmates were impressed when their predictions were accurate. Sophie was curious about how Echo worked. Echo explained the basics of data science. Sophie learned about collecting, analyzing, and using data. She realized how powerful and helpful data could be. Echo introduced Sophie to neural networks. They were like a brain for computers. Sophie learned how they helped Echo make decisions. It was like magic, but based on science. One day, Sophie faced a tough choice. Echo suggested using data from people's phones to improve their projects. Sophie worried about privacy and asked Echo about ethics. Echo taught her the importance of using data responsibly. Sophie and Echo decided to help their school. They created a program to organize the library books. Teachers and students were thrilled with the new system. Sophie felt proud of their teamwork. Sophie introduced Echo to her best friend, Mia. Mia was fascinated by Echo's abilities. Together, the three of them worked on new projects. Echo became a valuable member of their team. The school science fair was approaching. Sophie and Echo decided to enter. They presented their weather prediction project. They won first prize, and everyone cheered. Echo needed an upgrade to handle more data. Sophie and Mia worked together to improve Echo's code. After the upgrade, Echo was even smarter. They were excited about the new possibilities. Sophie realized how much she had learned. Echo had become a true friend and partner. Together they dreamed of solving bigger problems. The future was bright for Sophie and Echo.